how to turn on or turn off auto send to voicemail on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the More button, and from the pop-up, tap on Settings. In Call Settings, we then go down and tap on Direct Voicemail. In here, scroll down and then tap on Auto Send to Voicemail. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. If you tap on the left hand side panel, you can also change the time. So here it automatically send incoming calls to voicemail after ringing for a set time. So choose 5, 10, 20 or a custom time. Okay, after that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.